Do not procrastinate, please do not procrastinate. This is my second English video, so I'm kind of excited. And my accent just went away. Anyways, hi y'all, welcome. For my Turkish speaking friends, I have Turkish subs down below, as you can see. I love you guys, I love you. Okay, so I really wanted to explain why I made this video in English. First off, IB is an international program, so I wanted to reach a bigger audience because I have suffered a lot and I don't want you guys to suffer. Let's get into the video. Oh, by the way, my name is Baharli. I'm a Turkish YouTuber. I mean, I wouldn't call myself a YouTuber, but I make content and I like making content. Welcome, y'all. Welcome. First off, I wanted to explain what is IB. Oh, by the way, I have my notes down below on my little iPad. Not so little, but still. So I may be looking down just to read my short notes, just so you guys know. Okay, let's go. So in IB system, you have to take 7 classes and minimum 3 at HLs. What does HL mean? HL is your higher standard, no, high level, Jesus. High level classes, and SL is standard level classes. My accent just went away, Jesus. And anyways. So the grading is 1 to 7. 7 is the highest mark, obviously. 42 points for 7 classes maximum and 3 additional points. And now I'm gonna explain what are these 3 additional points. So, TOK, CAS, and extended essay. There is a class which you must take, which is TOK, which is, I know so many whiches. Theory of knowledge. It's kind of like philosophy, but like something weird. I prefer philosophy better. The TOK was kind of bullshit. I liked my teacher though. You must question a lot, and you have to write an essay in this TOK lesson in order for you to pass in IB, basically. And CAS. C stands for creativity, A stands for activity, and S stands for service. It's kind of obvious. You have to fill in some specific hours, but this requirement changes every year or so due to coronavirus and other stuff. So please ask your IB coordinator for more details. My knowledge is limited about the 2023 and 2024 IB graduates. TOK, CAS, and extended essay are mandatory. So what is extended essay? Extended essay is a long ass essay, which is 4,000 words you have to write. One big suggestion: do not write your extended essay in a subject you are not actually interested in. It's gonna make your journey hell. It will feel like a hell, it will be a hell, and you will get a lowest mark possible. Just trust me. Write your extended essay in your favorite subject. I did mine in psychology. Although we didn't have psychology courses, I made it possible. So the writing journey is butterflies and rainbows and stars and sparkles for you. I mean, it's on hell. No matter which subject you choose. It's up to you to make it less bearable. There are IAs, internal assessments. For almost every classes you will take, there is an internal assessment. So it is just a research paper. It was hard. It was hard as hell, especially in chemistry. I wrote 4 pages of IA, just 4 pages, because I hate chemistry. Anyways, I still passed. Let's see you, girl. IB is like this. So my advice is don't play in the first year. Just don't do it. It's gonna be your biggest regret. Just trust me. I did it. I also played in my second year. It was a huge ass mistake. It was a huge ass mistake. When you start the IB diploma program, you have to make sure that you will study every single day. You have to study every single day in order to succeed. There is no run away from this. So be careful, be prepared. Also, you know, there's a triangle which goes like sleep, social life, and good grades. Yeah, you have to sacrifice one of them. Like, you cannot just make all 3 happen in the same day, or same week, or the same month. You just can't in this IB program. I have sacrificed good grades. Do I regret? Yes, I do. So I'm telling you guys, sacrifice either sleep or social life, but never good grades. Also, in your first year, everything is easier. I promise. In your second year, there are so many deadlines and so many scheduled bullshit that you will be so overworked and probably burnt out. You will have no energy either for CAS, either for extended essay, either for IAs, and you will be stuck up in these deadlines. I mean, this was my journey because I'm a procrastinator. Don't do it. So, my advice is try to finish everything by the end of the either year one, end of the year one, yeah, or in the summer between year one and year two. Take this advice seriously, please. It's gonna save your life. It's gonna save so much time. Also, about CAS, my advice would be please finish CAS in your first year. Because as I said before, in your second year, you won't have time for CAS. For year two, serious advice about exams. Let's go. My biggest mistake was never looking at the mark scheme. So, especially in biology paper 2, math paper 2, just solve past papers. I mean, after you study the subject, solve past papers if possible. This is so important. After you solve the paper 2, look at the mark scheme. Mark scheme shows what examinators want from you. So that way, you will know what examiners want from you as an answer. Therefore, you will get the full marks. This saved my life actually. So never ever skip the mark scheme. Clear? Okay, let's go. This one is also connected to the previous one. Please do not just take notes. I don't know, read the notes. Don't. Solve past papers. I cannot emphasize the importance of it. Solve past papers. This is... Okay, this was my advice based on my experiences. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I didn't stress you out. I just wanted to be helpful for you guys because I don't want you guys to suffer like I did. Yeah, that's all. If you're going to the IB next year or this year, I hope you good luck. If you are in the summer between year 1 and year 2, you got this. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice IB life. I hope you don't kill yourself.